In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add courses to your LinkedIn profile. Staying updated in the professional world often means showcasing what you've learned, and LinkedIn makes it easy to display your educational accomplishments. Let's walk through the steps to get those courses on your profile so you can highlight your continuous learning journey. First, we'll begin by heading to linkedin.com. You can simply type this into the address bar of your favorite web browser and hit enter. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll need to sign in. Now you have a few options here. You can use Google or Apple for a quick sign in if those are linked to your account, or you could just enter your email address and password manually. Whichever you choose, make sure it's something you frequently use just to keep it easy. Now for those using two-factor authentication, be prepared for an extra validation step. You might receive a code on your phone which you'll need to input to verify your login. This is a security precaution to keep your information safe, so don't be alarmed, it's a good thing. After logging in, you should be automatically directed to your LinkedIn profile page. Now focus your attention on the top right corner. You should see your profile picture sitting there like a friendly little icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and then select View My Profile. This will open up your personal profile page for editing. When you're there, look just below your profile picture and you should see an option labeled Add Profile section. This is your gateway to customizing your profile details. Click on that and then navigate to the recommended drop-down menu that appears. It's subtle, but keep your eyes peeled. From the options presented, choose Add Courses. It's a feature that helps you list all the courses you have completed. Once clicked, you'll be taken to the course details section. Here you want to hit Add Course. This is your opportunity to input the information about the course. Be sure to provide details like the course name, the institution where you took the course, and the date you completed it. Accuracy is key here. It helps build trust in your skills. Finally, after you've filled in all the necessary fields, simply click Save. This action confirms your course and adds it directly to your LinkedIn profile, making it visible to potential employers and connections. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're able to show off your drive and dedication to professional development. Happy networking, and I'll see you in the next video.